So today we are making a catfish pepper soup. I have to first cut it. Before I wash it, it's better I cut it. I like taking out the side bone because of the children. Here. So I'll be using vinegar to wash the fish. And also iron sponge. Good. So guys, we have all our pepper here. We'll be blending it with onion. This is ginger, garlic, onions. So we'll add it in. Our all-purpose seasoning powder, fish seasoning powder, our pepper soup spicy, small salt for taste. We'll add little water for steaming of the fish, so you have to use little amount of water. Wow. So I've added my scent leaf. I let it to cook like 5 minutes more if I can bring it down. So it's ready.